In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage artwork projects with ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. We'll start by building high-density compositional prompts so the model understands exactly what to visualize. Instead of saying something vague, press Shift plus Enter to place each idea on its own line. First, state the core subject, like an ancient elven sorcerer casting a spell. Next, lock in the artistic medium or style, for example, a dramatic Renaissance oil painting with textured, visible brushstrokes and rich canvas grain. Then define the composition and camera angle, such as a wide, such 16.9 cinematic landscape shot, low angle perspective looking up at the character. Finally, set lighting and color, like chiaroscuro lighting with deep shadows and high contrast golden magical illumination against an emerald green backdrop. Clear lanes like these reduce ambiguity and give you consistent high fidelity results. When you're managing larger projects, move your brief and asset checklist into canvas mode to keep everything visible and editable. In the prompt box, give a clear directive. Analyze my uploaded sketch ideas, open a creative artwork canvas, draft a comprehensive asset production checklist listing, asset name, target, medium/style, core color swatches, and mood constraints. This canvas will serve as our central creative control center. Your screen will split, with the chat on the left and a live, editable design sheet on the right, so your creative constraints stay anchored. Once your brief is in the canvas panel, edit inline, highlight any character or scene text, tap the Ask ChatGPT comment bubble, and give a localized instruction, like rewrite this environment profile to focus on extreme industrial minimalism using raw brushed steel, unpolished dark concrete, and deep geometric patterns. Use the bottom right utility sliders to tighten long descriptions with adjust length and set the tone to creative or descriptive to automatically enrich language with vivid sensory detail while trimming filler. To maintain visual continuity across a series, keep working in the same conversation so context carries forward. Refer back to earlier assets when you request new ones. Based on the artistic, medium, and color palette of the first environment in our canvas, generate a matching prompt for a twilight exterior hidden courtyard. Maintain identical stylistic weights and brushstroke textures. Protect your progress and your privacy. If a change derails your structure, click the version history clock in the canvas header to compare iterations and restore a clean state. And if you're handling confidential concepts, go to Settings, Open Data Controls, and turn off data sharing before you begin. For quick style blueprints, try a cinematic concept art scene of a cyberpunk market alley in 16:9, then refine the foreground with a floating drone scanning vendor stands. Or build minimalist vector line art, a gold line anatomical heart on a matte midnight blue square. Highlight and rewrite to swap ivy for wild desert cacti. For classical impressionism in a 4:3 frame, paint a stormy coastal cliff and nudge the palette toward deep indigos, slate grays, and foam white accents. Combine structured prompts, canvas workflows, and thread continuity, and ChatGPT becomes your coordinated digital art studio.